Istanbul, a city that straddles two continents, a place where East meets West in a harmonious blend of cultures and histories. Europe and Asia, meeting at the shimmering waters of the Bosporus Strait, a natural boundary that has shaped the destiny of civilizations for millennia. A place where ancient history and modern life collide, creating a vibrant tapestry of old and new. Look, you can see it from here, the majestic Hagia Sophia standing proudly against the skyline. The majestic Hagia Sophia, a testament to empires gone by, a symbol of resilience and transformation. Its dome, a beacon against the sky, has witnessed centuries of change from Byzantine to Ottoman and now, a museum for all to admire. This is Istanbul, a city that will capture your heart and ignite your imagination, a place where every corner tells a story.
I remember my first time here, the feeling of stepping into a living, breathing history book. The city hit me like a shot of raki. Intense, intoxicating, unforgettable, a sensory overload that left me yearning for more. The air thrummed with the energy of millions, a cacophony of sounds and sights that was both overwhelming and exhilarating. The streets, a chaotic ballet of life where every step brought a new discovery, a new adventure. The scent of spices, the calls of vendors, the laughter of children, all mingling to create a symphony of life. This city was alive, pulsing with an energy I'd never encountered before, a place where the past and present coexisted in perfect harmony.
I wandered the streets, mesmerized by the sights and sounds, each turn revealing a new facet of this incredible city. The Golden Horn, a shimmering ribbon of water slicing through the heart of the city, a lifeline that has nourished Istanbul for centuries. Fishing boats bobbing on the waves, their nets heavy with the day's catch, a scene that has played out for generations. The Galata Tower, standing sentinel over the cityscape, offered panoramic views that stretched on forever, a reminder of Istanbul's enduring legacy.
This was Istanbul, a city that had it all, a place where every moment was a new experience, a new memory. But it was the Bosporus that truly captivated me, a narrow strait that held the essence of Istanbul's soul. This narrow strait connecting the Sea of Marmara to the Black Sea was a watery highway, teeming with life, a bustling artery that has been the lifeblood of the city for centuries. Giant tankers, sleek yachts, and weathered fishing boats shared the waterway, a testament to the city's enduring role as a bridge between worlds, a place where commerce and culture intersect. I could have spent hours watching the boats go by, each one carrying with it a story, a destination, a dream, a piece of the city's soul. Istanbul is a city of architectural wonders, a place where history and modernity coexist in a harmonious blend. A place where the past is present at every turn and every corner tells a story of a bygone era. Byzantine masterpieces rub shoulders with Ottoman grandeur, creating a cityscape unlike any other, a living museum of architectural evolution. You can almost hear the whispers of emperors and sultans in the air, their stories etched into the very stones of the city, each engraving a testament to a rich and tumultuous history. Start with the Hagia Sophia, a symbol of the city's diverse cultural heritage. Once a Byzantine church, later a mosque, and now a museum, this architectural marvel is a testament to the city's rich and layered past, reflecting the religious and cultural shifts that have shaped Istanbul. Its massive dome soaring high above the city is a masterpiece of engineering and artistry, a beacon of architectural innovation that has inspired countless structures around the world. Step inside, and you'll be awestruck by the sheer scale and grandeur of the space, a vast interior that seems to defy the limits of human craftsmanship. Intricate mosaics shimmer in the soft light, whispering tales of a bygone era, each piece a fragment of a larger story that spans centuries. Just a stone's throw away stands the Blue Mosque, its 6 slender minarets piercing the sky, a striking contrast to the domes of Hagia Sophia. Built in the 17th century, the mosque is a masterpiece of Ottoman architecture. Its interior adorned with thousands of blue Iznik tiles, each one a work of art in its own right. The play of light and shadow on the tiles creates an ethereal atmosphere, inviting contemplation and peace, a serene escape from the bustling city outside. But Istanbul's architectural treasures are not limited to its grand mosques and palaces. The city is a treasure trove of diverse architectural styles, each with its own unique charm. Wander the labyrinthine streets of the Grand Bazaar, one of the oldest and largest covered markets in the world, where every turn reveals a new architectural delight. Here, amidst the cacophony of vendors hawking their wares, you'll find hidden architectural gems, from ornate arches to intricately carved wooden doors. Caravanserais, once bustling with merchants and their goods, now house workshops and cafes, blending the old with the new in a seamless fusion of past and present. Ancient hammams, their domes pierced with tiny skylights, offer a glimpse into the city's Ottoman past, a place where tradition and relaxation meet. And then there are the city walls stretching for miles, a testament to Istanbul's strategic importance throughout history, standing as silent sentinels of the city's storied past. Walk along the ramparts, and you'll be rewarded with breathtaking views of the city and the sea, a panorama that captures the essence of Istanbul's unique geographical and cultural position. The walls, once a symbol of defense, now stand as a reminder of the city's resilience and its enduring spirit, a city that has withstood the test of time and emerged stronger for it. Leave the bustling streets of Istanbul behind and venture into the heart of Anatolia, where a landscape unlike any other awaits. This is a journey into a world where nature's artistry is on full display, a place that feels like stepping into a dream. Cappadocia, a land of surreal beauty, shaped by volcanic eruptions and sculpted by wind and rain over millions of years. The forces of nature have worked tirelessly to create a landscape that is both rugged and delicate, a testament to the power and patience of the natural world. Here, towering rock formations, known as fairy chimneys, rise from the earth like giant mushrooms. These natural sculptures, with their whimsical shapes, seem to defy gravity and logic, standing as silent sentinels in this otherworldly terrain. This is a place where you can truly believe in magic. The landscape, with its ethereal beauty, invites you to let go of reality and embrace the fantastical. Every corner of Cappadocia whispers tales of ancient myths and legends waiting to be discovered.
Imagine this. The sun rising over the Cappadocian landscape, painting the sky in hues of pink, orange, and gold. The first light of day transforms the land, casting long shadows and highlighting the intricate details of the rock formations. And as the first rays of sunlight kiss the earth, hundreds of hot air balloons take flight, their colorful canopies dotting the sky like giant soap bubbles. The sight of these balloons, floating gracefully against the backdrop of the rising sun, is nothing short of magical. It's a sight that will take your breath away. The serene beauty of the balloons drifting silently above the landscape is a moment of pure tranquility, a perfect harmony between human ingenuity and nature's splendor.
Drifting silently over the landscape, you'll be treated to a bird's-eye view of this otherworldly region. From this vantage point, the true scale and beauty of Cappadocia are revealed, a panorama of natural wonders stretching out to the horizon. Below you, the fairy chimneys stretch out as far as the eye can see, their strange and wonderful shapes inspiring awe and wonder. Each formation tells a story of geological history, a narrative written in stone over millennia. Ancient cave dwellings carved into the soft volcanic rock hint at a time when humans sought refuge and shelter in this extraordinary landscape. These dwellings, with their intricate carvings and hidden chambers, offer a glimpse into the lives of those who once called this place home.
But Cappadocia is not just about the views. It's a place where history and culture are deeply intertwined with the natural world. Descend into the cool darkness of an underground city, carved out of the soft rock centuries ago to provide refuge from invaders. These subterranean labyrinths, with their narrow passageways and hidden rooms, are a testament to human ingenuity and resilience. Explore the rock-cut churches of the Goreim Open-Air Museum, their walls adorned with vibrant frescoes that have miraculously survived the test of time. These ancient artworks depicting scenes of religious significance offer a window into the spiritual life of the region's early inhabitants. Hike through the valleys, each turn revealing new and breathtaking vistas. The trails wind through a landscape that is constantly changing, offering new perspectives and hidden gems at every turn. This is a landscape that will stay with you long after you've left. The memories of Cappadocia's unique beauty, its rich history, and its magical atmosphere will linger in your mind, calling you back to this dreamscape of fairy chimneys and soaring balloons.
Imagine a cascade of white travertine terraces cascading down a hillside like frozen waterfalls glistening in the sunlight. This is Pamukkale, the cotton castle of Turkey, a natural wonder that has been captivating travelers for centuries with its unique beauty. The terraces, formed by the buildup of calcium carbonate from the area's hot springs, create a surreal and breathtaking landscape that seems almost otherworldly.
As you walk barefoot on the warm, smooth surface of the terraces, you can feel the mineral-rich water flowing gently over your feet. For centuries, people have flocked to Pamukkale, believing in the healing properties of its thermal waters, which are rich in minerals. Legend has it that the waters have the power to cure all sorts of ailments, from rheumatism to skin diseases, offering hope to many.
But even if you're not seeking a miracle cure, a visit to Pamukkale is an unforgettable experience that will stay with you forever. The sight of the white terraces shimmering under the Turkish sun is simply breathtaking and awe-inspiring. Take a dip in the warm, turquoise waters of the thermal pools, some of which are located within the ruins of the ancient Roman city of Hierapolis, adding a touch of history. As you relax in the healing waters surrounded by history and natural beauty, you'll understand why Pamukkale has been a popular destination for centuries.